These drugstore products are so much better than high-end products that you're gonna waste your money on. Why not get these? These are tried, true, and tested, and they've lasted me for so long, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys today. I mean, it just grows every day. Like, it doesn't stop, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, hey, why not? Okay, and we are rolling. I am so excited. Make sure my microphone's not too covered up. Okay, do you guys like my shirt? I am so excited to talk to you guys about my 15 favorite drugstore must-haves, and I am in love with the prices. Get these for like under $10, $10 to $15 wherever you live. I don't know, but I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite. So let's begin. First things first, I get a lot of gray hairs. I need to touch those up without going to the salon and breaking the bank, spending hundreds of dollars. So I found L'Oreal's Root Touch Up. You guys, I did it last night, and I think I did pretty darn good. I chose the dark brown shade. I could have went a little lighter, but I'm actually loving it. Like, it kind of like really worked with my ombre style hair. But yeah, it wasn't hard. You just like apply it to the center of your hairline there, and wow. It looks so good, so rich, and like my hair feels so nice and smooth today. I highly, highly, highly recommend some Root Touch Up if you have some gray hairs poking out, okay? I started getting gray hairs when I was like in my early 20s. Now that I'm in my mid 30s, the gray hairs just pop up out of nowhere. So I love that it's like, you can't see them. You can't see me. Next up is this beauty blender from the drugstore. It has these sides here, so it's super easy to like get in by your eyes, your nose, wherever. It just makes your concealer application so flawless. And let me tell you, when you're putting on foundation, it's like butter. It doesn't absorb as much foundation as most beauty blenders do, like applies it nicely and seamlessly all over your face. So I cannot recommend this one enough. So I will link all these below. This is not sponsored in any way. These are just my favorite drugstore products. For brows, Got2B Glued. This is the best brow gel ever. I think this is like $8. And it's so gooey and so perfect for getting those nice fluffy brows. And if you guys want to see a brow tutorial on how to do a super easy ombre style brow, then check out this video here. I don't know about you guys, but like I can't stand when I start getting like fuzzies in my nose and like, you know, like hair in my nose. Hey, Philips nose trimmer. This one doesn't hurt at all, but I love it. It's super easy to use. And should I? I mean, it just grows every day. Like, it doesn't stop, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, hey, why not? It takes care of all my little nose hairs. And oh my gosh, nose is looking amazing. Moving on. This NYX stick, this jumbo NYX stick, this is in the shade Milk. You guys, I just did a makeup tutorial on this winter glam, this Huda Beauty Icy Nudes palette, and wow. This goes on your waterline and it just makes your eyes and your inner eyes, tear duct just like pop. Beautiful, so white, so delicious, so creamy. They have a million other shades too, but the Milk, the white shade here is my favorite. It's so creamy, so pigmented, stays on your eyes all day. Okay, this is the Dolce Pink Milani blush. So many makeup artists use drugstore products because they are tried, true, and tested, and they swear by them. This one is the best powder blush I've ever had. This has like iridescent sparkles in it. It's so perfect for year round. It doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, whatever. It just gives you that perfect amount of blush, and I love the color Dolce Pink. It's a baked powder blush, so it just makes your skin look really nice and airbrushed. Okay, so I love to do my own press-on nails. I used to get my nails done at the salon and spend, oh gosh, $80 bi-weekly. That adds up, and it adds up before you know it. Why not do your own nails at home, whether it's shellac nails or whether it's press-on nails? Now, I've done videos on both. I have my own like little shellac kit, which is super easy. You can buy all the stuff on Amazon, and I have a video on how you can do your own shellac nails. They last 2 weeks and they're amazing. Or you can do your own press-on nails, and the drugstore has the best press-on nails. So these are like the bare ones. They're kind of like clear and they just like match your skin tone underneath. So love those. And I got these super cute ones for like I don't know, February. They're like pink and fun. But yeah, the drugstore has so many press-on nails to choose from. But of course, if you're going to have press-on nails, you need the best glue ever. And don't use the glue that comes in the kits. Like, no. The best press-on glue you will ever find is the Beauty Secrets nail glue. You can get this on Amazon. This will keep your nails on for weeks, okay? And I've done a 10 challenge video. I was trying to get my press-on nails to break off, like doing so many challenges, like walking, pulling dogs. I was opening cans and I was building things, and these press-on nails would not come off because of this glue. So check out that video here. This whole video is starting to seem like a check out this, but I have so many good ideas and like beauty hacks and tricks and secrets to share with you guys. So yeah. Okay, so before I even apply my foundation or do anything to my face, have you heard of dermaplaning? I mean, you can get it professionally done in a salon for hundreds of dollars, or you can just buy your own at the drugstore. And this one's amazing. This is by Plum Beauty. You just scrape down on your face and this will get rid of all of your peach fuzz, okay? Because when you're doing your makeup with your foundation, you know, it gets caked in your hair, and you know. DIY dermaplaning done yourself at home, and it actually came with so many spares as well. Excuse me. See? It got rid of lots of nose hairs, so I'm like, any more? Yay, more nose hairs. Sorry, TMI. Okay, moving on. The best eyelash curlers ever are these by Tweezerman. I find these work the best. And I also love these Revlon tweezers. They are strong, grippy. I'm not like messing around with my eyebrows, poking all my skin and ripping my skin out. So I love these tweezers. Okay, the next are these Kiss glueless lash. They go underneath your eyelashes. I've tried to like do the whole eyelash thing, and like I just can't stand when like one starts peeling up like throughout the night. It just drives me absolutely nuts. So I love that these are individual clusters, and you just pick them off with this bad boy here, plop them on underneath your eyes, and they stay on all night, and you don't even feel that they're there. They're so weightless. Again, they go underneath your lashes, not over your lashes. So it's so much easier to apply. Just love, love, love these. These will make your life so much more simpler if you want to add a little bit of extra length and volume to your eyelashes. I use these Grace and Stella eye patches. These are great for depuffing your eyes, wrinkles, just adding some moisture and hydration. I love doing my eyeshadow first, and then when I'm done my eyeshadow, I just peel them off, and then it's like I don't have any fallout on my face from the eyeshadow. You can get these at the drugstore as well, so super good. I also love this Neutrogena. This is the HydroBoost Cold to the Touch. I live in a really dry, cold climate. It's like -40 outside right now. It's freezing, and this keeps my skin nice and hydrated, moist. If I don't put hydration cream on, then I get like really dry, flaky skin, especially like right here at the top of my forehead and like on my chin, and my face just gets really, really dry. So I love using this one. This is from the drugstore as well. I also love using these Lumify eye drops. These make your eyes so much more whiter. So if you have like really dry eyes, red eyes, or just irritated eyes from allergies, pollen, dust, or just really dry weather, I highly suggest these eye drops. They're so great and they make you look so much more awake. This is a red carpet secret that celebrities use right before they go on the red carpet because it just makes you look so much more awake. It makes the white in your eyes just like extra white. The best inexpensive affordable primer is this e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. It's so good. You guys, you can see I'm almost done the bottle. I gotta buy another one. Nothing fills in my pores like this e.l.f. primer. It's so dewy, it's so creamy, it's cooling, and everything sticks and grips to it. It lives up to its name, and I love that e.l.f. is a cruelty-free company. Say no more, I'm in. Speaking of e.l.f., the H2O Proof Eyeliner pen is the best liquid eyeliner pen ever. It is so easy to draw with this eyeliner. Like if you suck at doing wings, you just simply need to just like first trace your eye. You're gonna do one line and then you're gonna fill it in. Super easy. This is the best like beginner friendly liquid eyeliner. Another really good eyeliner is this one by Anabelle. This has a really, really thin tip. So if you wanna be super precise on your eyeliner, this one's another really good dupe as well. really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today, and hopefully you can find them at your own drugstore, wherever you live. These have saved me so much time and just really add to my beauty routine and just make me feel so luxurious. And I love that these are inexpensive items, but they feel so luxurious. Again, I'm saving the price tag. Thank you once again for watching. Subscribe if you are new here and check out this video right here.